Hello student, this is the second video of the chapter fraction. In this chapter we study about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and reciprocal of the fraction. So one by one I am going to explain and look how we solve the question and how we simplify the question based on the fraction. So look how we solve the problem 2b. So in this chapter we study the fundamental operation with fraction, and these fundamental operation, as you already know, that addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So first of all we start with the addition and subtraction of the fraction. Exercise 2b. The first question, it is given that simplify the following: 4 whole 9 by 20 plus 7 by 12 minus 1 whole 13 upon 15. For all the rough work in your copy, draw the line and do all the rough work separately with neat and clean. Now, first of all, we change the given fraction in improper fraction. So when we simplify 4 whole 9 by 20, it gives 89 upon 20 plus 7 upon 12 minus, when we simplify 1 whole 13 upon 15, it gives 28 upon 15. Now we find the LCM of the denominator 20, 12 and 15. The LCM of 20, 12 and 50 is 60. Here I have solved and find the LCM of the given number. So now we draw the line and first of all we write here the 60. Now in first fraction, numerator is 89 and its denominator is 20. When we divide this 60, it gives 3. So this 89 multiplied by 3 plus 12 multiplied by, when we divide 60 by 12, then it gives 5. So 7 multiplied by 5 minus 28 and its denominator is 15. So this number multiplied by 4, because when we divide 60 by 15, then it gives 4. Now we simplify this one. It gives 267 plus 35 minus 112 upon 60. We add these two numbers together. It gives 302 minus 112 upon 60. It gives 190 upon 6. We cancel 0 by 0. Now it gives 19 upon 6, and when we change in the mixed fraction, it gives 3 whole 1 by 6, and this is our required answer. So similarly you can solve the rest question. This is the homework for you. Question number 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. So in the similar way you can solve the problem. Now multiplication of fraction and operator of. As you know that of is replaced by multiply sign. So by example, see how we solve the questions. We also follow the Bodmas rule. According to the Bodmas rule, as you already know, that first we solve the bracket, after that of, then division, multiplication, addition, and after that we solve the subtraction. When we solve the bracket, then first of solve the line bracket, after that the small bracket, then solve the curly bracket, and after that we solve the big bracket or the square brackets. So we also follow the Bodmas rule. So look here how we solve the problem. Question number 2. Find the following. It is given that 3 whole 1 by 4 multiplied by 5 whole 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 whole 7 by 13. First of all we have to change this fraction in the improper fraction. When we simplify this one, then it gives 13 upon 4 into 16 upon 3 into 20 upon 13. Now this 16 cancelled by 4, it gives 4. 13 cancelled by 13. So now in the numerator remain only 4 into 20 upon 3, and this gives 80 upon 3. When we change in the mixed fraction, it gives 26 whole 2 by 3. Okay, now the second question, it is given that, okay, in this question it is given that 3 by 4 of, within bracket, 2 whole 3 by 7 into 1 whole 15 upon 34. This terms given in the bracket. So first of all we simplify the bracket and we have to change in the mixed fraction. It gives 17 by 7 into, when we simplify this one, it gives 49 upon 34. 7 7 ja 49 and 17 2 ja 34. Then after simplification this gives 7 upon 2 of change into the multiply sign and 3 by 4. Now we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. It gives the 21 upon 8 and change into the mixed fraction. It gives 2 whole 5 by 8. Now on the basis of this explanation you can solve the problem, and this is the homework for you for 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. That are some questions you will solve in your copy. Now the next important thing is that reciprocal of a number. Try to understand reciprocal of a number. A number is called the reciprocal of another number if product of the two number is 1. Again listen, a number is called the reciprocal of another number if the product of two number is 1. For example, find the reciprocal of the numbers. Here it is there is given 3 questions: 5, 2 by 5 and 3. Third question is 1. When we find the reciprocal, we write here the reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Don't write 5 is equal to 1 by 5, because when you think it properly then you find that your answer is wrong when you written 5 is equal to 1 by 5. So with the statement only we write the answer. The reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5, or we write 1 by 5 is the reciprocal of 5. So by writing the complete statement we write the answers. Reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Numerator change in the denominator and denominator change in the numerator. Now the reciprocal of 1 is 1. So 1 is a number whose reciprocal is itself only. It is clear? Now we are in position to simplify the division. Division of fractions. Exercise 2b. Find the value of the following. The first question of this exercise is 3 whole 3 by 8 divided by 2 whole 13 by 16. First of all we have to change this number in improper fraction, and when we change this one it gives 27 upon 8 divided by this one gives the 45 upon 16. Now we change the division into the multiplication and write the reciprocal of this number. So we write 27 upon 8 divide change into the multiplied and write the number this reciprocal form. The reciprocal of this number, remember this one, when you change the divide into multiply, at once you have to write the reciprocal of the number, otherwise your question will wrong. So keep this point in your mind properly. Now after conversion, now we are going to solve. 8 1 ja 8 and 8 2 ja 16, 9 3 ja 27 and 9 5 ja 45. So it gives the 3 into 2 and 1 into 5, it gives 6 upon 5, and when we simplify this one it gives a 1 whole 1 by 5. This is our required answers. Similarly, now we solve the next question number 4 of this exercise. 12 whole 1 by 2 divided by 5 by 7 of 4 whole 2 by 3. So according to the board mass rule, first we have to solve the bracket, but there is no any bracket. So after that we have to solve the of. So change the fraction in improper fraction. When we simplify this one, it gives 25 by 2 divided by 5 by 7 of 4 3 ja 12 and 2 14 by 3. So now it gives 25 by 2 divided by 5 by 7 into 14 by 3. 7 2 ja 14. Now 7 2 are 14. After simplify, it gives 10 by 3. Now divide change into the multiply and write the reciprocal of this number, and after that we simplify this one. 5 5 are 25 and 5 2 are 10. Then it gives 15 by 4 and 3 4 3 are 12 and 3 15. So it is the 3 whole 3 by 4. This is our required answer. So on the basis of this explanation, now you can solve these question number 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th properly. Okay. Simplify the following. The first question of this is 3 whole 1 by 2 whole divided by 5 whole 1 by 7. We have to change in the improper fraction. This gives 7 by 2 whole divided by 36 by 7. This also can be written as 7 by 2 divided by 36 by 7. As you know that 7 by 2 divided by 36 by 7, just I have written in this form. Now you know that divide change into the multiply and write the reciprocal of the number. So we write the 7 by 2 multiplied by 7 upon 36. 7 7 are 49 and 36 2 are 72. This is our required answer. The next question is that 2 whole 1 by 2 divided by 7 whole 1 by 8 divided by 4 whole 1 by 6 divided by 3 whole 1 by 9. So first of all, we have to change in the improper fraction. 5 by 2 divided by 57 by 8 divided by 25 by 6 divided by 28 by 9. Now divide change into the multiply, write the reciprocal of this number. So 5 by 2 multiplied by 8 upon 57 upon 25 upon 6 multiplied by 9 upon 28. Now as you know that this is the numerator divided by this denominator. So I have written like this one, and divide change into the multiplied and write the reciprocal of this number I have written. Then 5 upon 2 multiplied by 8 upon 56 multiplied by 6 upon 25 multiplied by 28 upon 9. Now simplify. After simplification, it gives 4 into 2 into 28 upon 57 into 5 into 3. It gives 228 upon 855. So now in position to solve the question. Now you have to solve the question of 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th properly. And if any doubt, then you ask. In next video I will solve your problem. Okay, thank you.